What are you doing here?
I should be asking you the same question.
How did you find me?
Well, I am a cop, Laurel. What is this place?
Diaz bought it. Right after he joined the Quadrant. Planning on renovating, he wanted to turn it into his own castle.
And you think he's in there?
Well, I don't think he's welcomed at the Star City Plaza.
All right. Fine. Call it in then.
No. No, this is my fight.
Oh. Right. This is what you've been planning all along, isn't it? This is why you've been refusing protection, because you're going to kill him.
Let's hope so.
If Diaz is in this building, the SCPD is going to be the one to take him down, and we're going to do it the right way.
I'm not interested in doing things the right way. That monster killed Quentin. I want to see him in hell, and I want to be the one that sends him there myself.
You know, I knew you were faking it. This whole time, Laurel, becoming the DA, and all your BS talk about the rule of law, you know, deep down you are still the same lying murderer who killed the man I loved.
I'm not that person anymore. But someone has to get justice for Quentin, and you know it. So don't you dare try and stop me.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I think so.
How the hell did she do that?
I have no idea.